Okay, now we are going to do the arteries and veins of the head and neck area. So we're going to start with the head first. Right here, these veins are the superficial temporal veins. It'll be right here, and right here. So those are the superficial temporal veins. The red one, which is the artery, is the superficial temporal artery. So that's the superficial temporal artery. Moving down on the side of the neck, you won't really see it, but it's like a little bit dipped in, is you're going to see a little artery there. This artery is going to be the maxillary artery. Again, that artery right here on the side is the maxillary artery, and it's red. So it should be an artery. Okay, moving down from that. So right from the superficial temporal artery, we're going to go right down to the external carotid artery. So this artery right here is the external carotid artery. The one next to it, which is the vein, is the internal jugular vein. So that vein right here is the internal jugular vein. Then, moving forth, we have the internal jugular vein, which goes down. So right here, keeps going. And then we have the one that runs along it, which is the left common carotid artery. The left common carotid artery. And then we have one that kind of drifts off to the side over here, and that's a facial artery. And you'll know it because it's on the face. It's the only artery that really describes the face region in this portion. So that's just the facial artery. And then moving down back, we have right over here the vertebral artery. So this is a vertebral artery right there. Then we have the left subclavian artery, which is right here. So that's the left subclavian artery. And then moving on over to this side, we have the right common carotid artery. So this one that sticks up is the right common carotid artery. Right next to it is the internal jugular vein that sticks up. The internal jugular vein. Now we're going to go towards the arm a little bit, and that's going to be the right subclavian artery corresponding with the right subclavian vein. So that concludes the head and neck region of the veins and arteries.